Hi dolls, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get this perfect ash blonde color hair from 613. This wig is from Curlyme Hair. All the details will be in my description, so make sure you check that out. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing you will need is a Salon Care Developer in volume 10, and then you will also need the Wella Toner in T27. Both of these products I got from Sally's Beauty. I did use 4 bottles total, but I did it one by one. So this is the first bottle. I poured it in a bowl, and then I filled 2 capfuls of the developer and added it in the bowl. And then I mixed them both together until I couldn't see the developer anymore. I also want to add that I did not have to bleach the wig because the knots are not black. So I did not have to bleach the frontal part of my wig this time. So then I basically started in sections, y'all. I did not know how I wanted to do this. I don't know if the hair was supposed to be wet first. I had no idea, so I just winged it. I'm taking the first bowl that I made and just putting some on this brush and just putting it on the wig. Like I said, y'all, I don't know the correct way to do this. This was like my very first time. As y'all can see, the brush just wasn't working for me, so I ended up using my hands, just massaging it all over the hair. And I started to get a little concerned because I don't know how toner works, and I was just like, why is this looking orange? But I just kept on going because I'm like, it's too late to go back now. So yeah, I just finished using the brush, my hands, just putting it all over the wig basically. So y'all, it still looked weird to me, but I just kept it on. I kept it on for 20 minutes and just let it run its course and just see what happens after that. And I washed it out and it was life, y'all. It turned out exactly how I wanted it. I had no idea what that toner was doing during the process, but it came out exactly how I wanted it. So now I'm just blow drying it, getting it ready so it can be flat ironed. And yeah, that was super easy, y'all. I literally just left it on for 20 minutes and this is how it came out. I did not use purple shampoo because I watched a lot of videos, I read about it, and purple shampoo does make it more like platinum, and I was not going for platinum. But if you want more of a platinum, then purple shampoo is your go-to. So now I'm just using my Bio Silk Therapy, and I'm just going to put a little bit in my hands and rub it in each section, and then use my Baby Bliss Pro Titanium to flat iron it. And in the background, You was playing, y'all. I had to catch up on it because it just got crazier and crazier. So I was literally like watching it all day. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.